Hey, Sandra here, and today I want to talk about the free lead system forever. And yes, this is a free lead system, and you can keep it forever. You don't have to pay for it, it's free for life. And I just want to talk about what happens when you sign up and how it works. So you're going to put your name and email here. And then I don't know if it's going to ask you twice, but it's going to send you to this video. And he's going to tell you that your email, your free lead system is in your inbox. And he's going to try to get you to upgrade to the $7 lead lightning system. All right, and then because when you click here, you'll see it. Okay, that is just an upgraded version of the free lead system, and basically, it has a little bit more options that you can get with it. Um, but everything here is explained. It's only seven. The free lead system is free. Okay, you get to keep that. So even if you say no, I don't want it, you're still going to have the free lead system. But this system is only $7 and it's a one-time fee. And you get to keep this one for life as well. So if you want to make some extra money, I would suggest that you just go ahead on and spend the $7. It's one time. You're not going to have to pay a monthly fee. And for each sign up that you get that enrolls under you, you receive an instant $6 commission, and you will make $6 for every $7 buyer, and this is paid out weekly. Okay, so I mean, you might as well do it if you want to make some money, but if you don't want to, you don't have to. You can just keep the free lead system. Everything is going to be explained here for you, and then when you get your email, after you sign up for the free lead system, look out for the email that says your free lead, it's going to have your name, your free lead system open up, okay? Look for it either in your inbox or your spam folder. It could easily go in there also. So after you get this email, you want to go to this website, mycompanyadmin.com, and put in the username and password that they give you. You can also change that to whatever you want. You're going to come here, and it's going to talk about the lead lightning. Now, again, I'm not sure if it does it twice or not, but it's going to talk about it again. Like I said, you don't have to get the offer if you don't want to, but I suggest you do. It's a one-time fee, and you get to promote your free lead system along with the lead lightning, because if somebody decides to take it, you make $6. I mean, for each person. So I mean, it's a good deal. But anyway, you don't have to do. You can say no thanks. And now here is your back office for the free lead system. Right? Congratulations! It's going to have your name. Welcome to your free list building system. Now, the free lead system is going to help you to build a list. All right. These are going to be people that are quality. They're going to be quality people, quality leads, and these are people that are interested in building a list as well for their own business opportunity. And that's what you're giving the free lead system away for. Okay, for people to build their list and be able to get more sales and opportunities, more sales and eyeballs to their opportunities. Right. So when you get here, all you need to do is, how do I get started? You look at this video. It has 3 steps. Enter your website below. Here, you're going to put whatever website that you want to have leading to whatever opportunity that you have. Okay? Whatever opportunity that you want to promote, put it here, and then click update. Here is some tips down here for you in case you get stuck. And then when you go back, you will see that how to make $6 per lead. This is a bonus. Again, this is the upgrade for the lead lightning. Because the thing is with the free free lead system is that every other lead, you get to keep every other lead. So you don't get to keep all your leads. Every other lead goes to you. The other lead goes to me. So if you don't want that to happen, then you should upgrade and you get to keep all of your leads. Okay? You get to keep them all when you upgrade. So it's only $6, one-time fee. So if you want to make money at the same time and it's just a one-time fee, you don't have to worry about no bills, go ahead and sign up for that. And then you here's your contact manager, your free lead system. When you give this out, you're going to have contacts here, a contact manager to help you to keep in order of everybody who signs up with you. You can email these people any opportunity that you want to. These are your leads. You keep them, okay? You email them whatever you want. Whatever opportunity you have, just email it to them. And this is your list, okay? This is the reason why you're building the list. So I would go to the quick start when I first get started. When you first get started, come to the quick start. Look at all of these, go through all of these trainings. Go to the training here. You have a training, a PLS training here. Okay. And welcome to the no, I don't think you can. With the free lead system, you're not allowed to go in that. But this, it does have a contact manager. You have your personal information, upgrade if you want to, and that's about it. The free lead system is a good way to build your list, to get more people to your opportunities, and to get people on your list because it's a free lead. So it's a magnet. You can use it as a magnet to get people, to give away to people so you can get more people on your list so that you can promote to them, right? So all you have to do is when you get your link, you're going to have your link, how do I get started? Click here for how do I get started. Yeah, after you do the 3 simple steps, you're going to advertise, you're going to enter your website here that you want to promote, and then you're going to have your link here. This is the link that you're going to promote. Most likely you will probably change this link. You could buy a domain and forward it to this free lead system, which would be better to promote than to have this type of link promoting it all over the place. Okay, but either way, all you have to do is promote it. It's going to tell you how do I market my link. It's going to tell you all of the information down here below. Get your free link today, guys, because it's a good deal. So get your free link, upgrade if you can, because it's only a $7 one-time fee, and that way you can not only just give away the free link, but you'll be making money at the same time, and you'll be building your list. Okay, so go ahead and sign up, and I'll see you on the next video. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe so you can get more tips and information on different different ways to build your business and how to build up your mindset in order to keep your business flourishing. And I'll see you on the next video. And remember, you must hustle. Talk to you later.